Hello everyone, Isaac from County Bachelor here, and I'm going to show you an improvement to our lean pathway. Now, you may have seen this in the AME tour that we did, but if you've not seen that, then you can go watch it on Paul Akers' YouTube channel or the AME YouTube channel. But very quickly, the lean pathway is a tool that we use to help develop all of our staff, and it basically works as we have a checklist of things that they need to do to develop their career at County Bachelor and develop as a person. Now, there's a lot of things on here, and what our employees would do is review that pathway, and they'd feel a bit lost going away not knowing specifically what to focus on because there's just too many choices. So we've added in this column here, or this box, which is a key improvement for next time. So after the review, let's say it's come from the review that I was voicing very constructive opinions in morning meetings, but I've stopped doing that. So my score has now gone down and I want to improve for next time. But instead I don't just of going and focusing on something at random, I'm actually going to take this one and copy that into there. So now I have a key takeaway, something to focus on, that I've committed to the leadership team that I'm going to do this, and they're committed to holding me accountable to voicing my opinions in meeting and making sure that those opinions are constructive. It doesn't just work with things that we've stopped doing and we're going to continue doing, it also works with things that we might not be doing yet that we want to add to our pathways. So yeah, thank you.